Good evening, Klein Forest families. My name is Lance Alexander, the proud principal here at Klein Forest, and welcome to the 2021 virtual open house. Currently at Klein Forest right now, we are serving 55% of kids Klein online and 45% Klein on campus. Tonight, the way that open house is going to work is you will follow your kids' schedule, periods 1 through 8. There will be 7-minute Zooms in each class with a 3-minute passing period. Teachers will have videos explaining what's going on in their class, and then there will be time for you to have questions with the teacher. At the end of 8th period, Klein Forest counselors and administrations will be online to answer any questions you might have for them. This isn't what we want to do, but this is the best we have right now, so we hope you enjoy tonight's virtual online open house. Transitioning now to Klein on campus and Klein online. We've had about 100 kids come back on campus this week. We are finding that kids excel better when they're Klein on campus rather than Klein online. Your students are welcome back. We will be pushing the November 13th date to you guys. We need you to decide for the second semester whether you're going to be Klein online or Klein on campus by November 13th. If you go to our district webpage or campus webpage, you'll see mode of instruction on there. If you click that and you want to change your kid's current placement, all you got to do is fill out that form. We have the kids come every Monday, so that way we let the teachers know who's coming and we can be better prepared to serve them. We miss your kids. We love your kids. Take care and enjoy open house.